Assalamu alaikum. This is Discrete Homotopy Theory lecture series. So today our topic is Path Homotopy. So the definition is Path Homotopy. A path homotopy H. A path homotopy H. A path homotopy H is a map. H is a map from gamma to sigma. Okay. H is a map from gamma to sigma of length n where n belongs to natural number is a map. Okay, is a map H from Im box product with In to X such that h of dash comma 0 we will get gamma, and h of dash comma n is equal to sigma for all I belongs to Im. Okay, so this is the definition of path homotopy from gamma to sigma. This is a this is a graph map from gamma to sigma. And what type of a graph map? This is a graph map from box product with In, okay, to X such that if we substitute dash comma 0, so we will gamma. And if we h of dash comma 1, we will get sigma, okay. This is the path from gamma to sigma of finite length. Okay, we can say this is a path from gamma to sigma of n length. Now, another definition of path homotopy. So a path homotopy H from gamma to sigma of infinite length is a graph map H from Im box product with I infinity to X such that if there exist n minus and n plus belongs to integers such that if h dash comma I is equal to gamma for all I is less than equal to n minus, and h of dash comma I is equal to sigma, where for all I is greater than equal to n plus number. So we can say H is a path homotopy from gamma to sigma of infinite length. Okay, this is infinite length path from gamma to sigma. Okay, so this is the definition of path homotopy of infinite length and finite length. Allah Hafiz. I will explain further in next lecture, further topics in next lectures. Allah Hafiz. Please share, subscribe my channel.